Today we're going to unbox and review the Casio MDV106 series. This is Casio's budget dive watch, which you can find on Amazon right now for $54. I got the MDV106B, which is the black and blue version that some people call Batman. It's got a silicone band on it, and it's just a classic looking dive watch with 200 meters of water resistance, a date, and a screw down crown. So pretty impressive watch for $54. It is a quartz watch, of course, but at this price range, I don't know why anybody would expect it to be automatic. For $54, this should be a fantastic budget dive watch. The reason I bought it is that I have an upcoming cruise and I wanted to have a beater watch that I could wear to the water park and on the boat and on the beach and not worry about it, but still look really nice. And I thought this was the perfect watch. I really also love the black and blue color scheme. I don't have a Batman style watch at the moment. I do have this Pepsi bezel Timex that I got last year. And if you want to see videos about this, you can go check my channel. I have a couple of videos about the Timex automatic that I'm wearing right here. It's the Harborside Coast automatic. But today we're going to look at the Casio Duro, the MDV106. So I'll go ahead and open the box. Typical Casio box. If you've bought a Casio watch before, then you've probably seen this exact setup in the past. There's your papers, plastic cover on the actual watch. You can slide it out. And this is probably the user manual right there. But I'm really just concerned with the watch itself. So let's go ahead and grab it. Set this stuff aside. Pull the plastic off. And it's got a plastic cover on the bezel as well. Keep it protected. Let's go ahead and pull that off. All right, there you go. Look at that. Quartz movement. That black and blue bezel is really nice looking. This is actually a super high quality looking watch for $54. I'm already impressed, honestly. Stick it next to this Timex and man, I don't know. Both good budget options. But I'm super excited about this Casio Duro. We'll get into some of the features in just a second, but let me just take a look at it first. There's the case back. You can see the Marlin. The band, I've heard from a lot of people, is not the best. I'll tell you, as a guy who wears a G-Shock watch on a near daily basis, I don't mind a crappy resin band. So I don't think I'll have an issue with that at all. 200 meters water resistance. We've got the Marlin logo on it. There is some talk about these watches being updated and the new version not having the Marlin logo on it, but I don't know. I just ordered this from Amazon the other day and it's got the logo on it. Check and see. Yep, screw down crown. I think somebody mentioned that the new version also does not have a screw down crown. This one definitely does. It just popped out after unscrewing it. So let's go ahead and set it. What is it? 921 on the 9. There we go. We can screw the crown back down. The screw down crown is a really nice feature. It's just a plain crown. There's nothing printed on the edge there. Got the crown guards too. But that is really nice. That gives you a lot of confidence that this watch really does handle 200 meters. Now, I don't do any diving or anything like that. I might take this snorkeling down in the Bahamas, but that's about the most I'll do with it. Really nice looking bezel, face, everything about it is nice. I love the matched second hand, matches the blue here. Let's twist the bezel and see what it does. I had heard from some people that this was a little hard to twist. I'm not really having any issues with it at all. And it feels pretty even all the way around. There's no spots where it's harder to twist it. This feels like a really well-made watch for $54. It's a Casio, so honestly, I would expect that because they make a really high-quality product in general. All right, let's go ahead and try it on. Take off the Timex, slip on the Casio Duro Batman. There you go. First time wearing it on the wrist. This is a 44.2 millimeter case size, according to Amazon, which I think is pretty similar to this Timex. They're both pretty big watches. The Timex looks a little bit bigger maybe, but this feels really nice on my wrist. Some people said it was maybe a little big on their wrists. To me, this feels just about right. I don't know what size wrist I have. I haven't measured it. I couldn't tell you, but I don't feel like this is too large of a watch. I wear large watches on a regular basis, so this is fine for me. I also have a lot of dive watches. I'm sure they're all different sizes. I think I tend to prefer the ones that are a little bit larger versus like I have an Invicta that's maybe 38 millimeters, and that one feels small. I love this so far. Strap feels just fine. I expect it's going to work just fine for me. You can replace these easily from what I understand. Super popular size. You can get NATO straps. You can get a bracelet like this if you want to. You can get any kind of strap you want. Match it up with this. Really not much else to say about this watch. If you're a fan of the look and the price point, I really think you can't beat this Casio Duro. I mean, for $54, this is a really nice looking dive watch that anybody looking from a distance is going to go, hey, that's a nice looking watch. And even when they see it up close, they're going to see that it's the Casio Duro. And anyone who's in the know, anyone who's into watches, they're going to understand what the Casio Duro represents. They're going to understand that Bill Gates is frequently seen wearing this watch. They're going to understand the history behind it and that it's a quality watch for the price point. If people see it, if they're watch people, they're going to recognize it instantly. They're going to know why you're wearing it, and they'll probably like it just as much as you do. So if this is the watch for you, click the link in the description. You can get the best price on Amazon usually, and they can usually get it to you. Mine came in 48 hours or less, and I'm super happy with it. Can't wait to wear it on my cruise. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. If this video is helpful, hit like. If you want more videos like this, hit subscribe.